Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to solve a problem from Leetcode JavaScript, and this name is execute cancelable function with delay. And the statement is saying that we have given a function fn and an array of arguments args and a timeout t in milliseconds, and we have to return another function cancel function whose name is which will execute after cancel time. After a delay of t milliseconds, function should execute with this args which is passed, and if cancel function is executed before this function, it should never be called. So let's take an example. Input is in this function, and we have passed arguments as an array which contains one element 2, and delay is 20 seconds, and the cancel time is 50 milliseconds. So this function should be executed before this cancel time function is executed. So it will output 2 into 5, which is 10 here. Yeah, and if cancel time is less than this t milliseconds, then this function should never be called, like this. Here t is 100 milliseconds and cancel time is 50 milliseconds. So cancel time is executed before the function is executed with this args. So we have to just return this cancelable function. So here also, yeah, we are storing the result of cancelable function, cancel variable, and then executing cancel function, which is also we are returning a function from this cancelable function, and then executing this cancel function after cancel time. Just schedule that. Okay, so let's return the function. So first we will use timeout, set timeout. So let's timeout is just storing the ID of set timeout, and passing a function and add a function. Inside this we are passing our function and just spreading the args array and schedule it for after t milliseconds. And next we will return another function, and then calling clear timeout with this ID. And now run this. So yeah, that's working fine. So what's going behind this? So we are just returning a function which is clearing timeout, and the clearing which timeout? The timeout is this timeout, whose ID is stored in the timeout, and inside this set timeout we scheduled a function. We are spreading the args array after t milliseconds. So yeah, if this if cancel time is less than this t milliseconds, then it will never run. We will just clear the timeout before t milliseconds, otherwise this function will execute. So we can do this by just creating a flag variable also. So for this we don't need to store the timeout, and we also don't need to clear the timeout. Just create is cancelable is cancelled and initialize it with false, and if this is false, then we should run this. Yeah, and inside this function, when this function is called, we will just change the value of isCancel to true. So this will also work fine. And what is the time and space complexity? We are not using any extra space here, and also in the first approach, so space complexity is big of 1, and we are just scheduling a function and cancelling its execution after some time. So we are also not using we are not doing any complex operation, and so that the time complexity also comes out to be big of 1, both in constant time and space. So yeah, that's all for this, and hope you understand this. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, that's all for this video. See you in next video.